So the most important thing to note is the screws at the front edge where the keyboard front is, you know, where the edge of the keyboard is the smaller ones, and the ones on the side are these bigger ones, yeah. So just for my own mental note that the different sizes all go in the same box. I've got my little light here because it's a bit dark in the Miniac Tools garage. Yep, I've got all those screws out now. I'm just left with 3 screws in the middle here, 4 rather, 5, 6 even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think that's for the... Well, I took the sliders. Okay, so these ones, it looks like they do have to come off. I think there's something holding the base onto the top, and these of course are different screws altogether. Right, there's 2 more. Oops, where the MIDI goes in. Let me just show you. See it in here. There's 2 more that need to come out. But now, put that screw back where it needs to go. Now, theoretically at least, the top should start to come off, and it does. Okay. The top one, oh, a bit of filth in there. There's a lot of filth in there. Okay. Get that out of the way. Okay, very careful inside. Put that like that. So there's an awful lot of filth in the bottom of this keyboard here, and a massive aluminium heatsink, or heatsink, not heatsink, a massive shield, I think it is. Let's get rid of this filth. Now that needs a big clean. Okay, put that to one side. I don't know if something crawled up in there and died or what. So then you've got this big copper sink here, like for shielding rather. This can be a real pain. And then oh, I see that those 6 screws are onto the keybed there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now, there's the felt. Okay, there's the felt in there. Let me see if I can point to it. Is this even in view? Yeah, the felt is in here at the bottom of the keys, and this is what the chap said he replaced, and it made things better. So I suspect that's what I've got to look at to see whether that is causing a problem or not. There's the felt there.